The arrival of early autumn marks a critical phase in gardening, a time packed with harvesting and essential preparations to safeguard your garden against the approaching cold months. But here's where many gardeners miss out. September is not just about collecting fruits and vegetables. It's also about laying the foundation for healthy soil and plants that will thrive next year. Let's explore what needs to be done in your garden during this pivotal month. First and foremost, preparing your garden beds is crucial. In September, you should clear away the dead tops of plants along with any persistent weeds to ensure a clean slate. This cleanup allows you to properly dig and aerate the soil, which is vital for plant health. Incorporating organic matter, such as humus or compost, significantly enriches the soil, boosting its fertility for the next planting season. For an extra nutrient boost, consider sowing green manure crops like rye, mustard, or phacelia. These plants naturally enhance the soil by adding organic material and improving structure when you turn them under before winter. Now, here's the part most gardeners overlook. September is the perfect window for planting spring flowering bulbs. Think of daffodils, crocuses, hyacinths, and alliums. These beauties thrive when planted now because the soil is still warm enough to encourage root development before the winter chill. Planting these bulbs from September through October ensures a vibrant burst of colour in spring, brightening up your garden after the long winter. Moreover, depending on where you live, September and October are also ideal for planting winter garlic. It's essential to give the garlic cloves enough time to settle and root before freezing temperatures arrive. Similarly, onion sets find their best planting time in September, setting the stage for a good harvest later on. As temperatures drop and days grow shorter, your plant's water needs naturally decrease. This means you can start cutting back on watering, allowing the soil to dry out more between waterings, which prevents overwatering and root rot. Gradually reducing irrigation is a subtle yet important adjustment to keep your garden healthy through autumn. September is also excellent for dividing perennials and other plants. Dividing plants during their dormant or non-active growing phase prevents stress and encourages healthy regrowth. If you miss dividing summer flowering plants in spring, don't worry. Autumn, from September to November, is an equally good time, especially when the soil is dry enough to work with ease. Of course, September is synonymous with harvest time. Many beloved fruits like apples, pears, plums, grapes, peaches, and nectarines reach their peak and should be picked promptly to enjoy their best flavor and prevent spoilage. Berries such as blackberries, blueberries, and cranberries also finish ripening this month, providing a sweet and tangy bounty. Don't forget the vegetables either. Root crops like potatoes, beets, carrots, and onions are ready for digging. Autumn is also prime time to harvest pumpkins, zucchini, cabbage, and legumes such as beans and peas grown for their seeds. Fresh herbs like parsley, dill, and celery should be picked as well to preserve their flavor while the weather still cooperates. Finally, growing plants from seeds remains one of the simplest and most cost-effective ways to increase your garden's diversity without spending much money. Starting seeds now can prepare you for an abundant garden next year. So, what do you think? Is September simply a month for winding down the growing season? Or is it actually one of the most vital times to act carefully and decisively? Some might argue that focusing on bulbs and soil preparation is more for ornamental gardeners, while others say it's essential for all types of gardens. Where do you stand? Share your thoughts and experiences. Let's get a lively discussion going.